Hi, welcome back. Today I'll be switching out my halogen bulbs to these LEDs. It's a switchback, amber to white, or white to amber. I wanted to go with the amber theme.
Amber is the color of your energy.
I already did the driver's side, passenger side I mean. These are the 3000K halogens that I have. Can't really tell, it's yellow, but it's yellow. This side is the switchbacks from white to amber. It also has like a projector lens on the end. White to amber. So, remove the fog light, you just gotta turn it counterclockwise. Pull back. That's a 3000K Kelvin. Just gotta lift up on these 2 times and pull out. Make sure it makes that noise. Click it back. Just line everything up. It's on white right now. Ambers, nice. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him.